Are you someone who loves struggling with kidney health? Imagine if the food you eat could dramatically enhance your kidney function, bringing vitality and wellness back into your life. In today's video, we are going to discuss food that are not just delicious but they are scientifically proven to boost your kidney function. These are not just any ordinary foods, they are your allies in the journey towards optimal kidney health, packed with essential nutrients that detoxifying and protect your kidneys. Guava. Guava is not just any fruit. Exotic wonder is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a boon for your health, especially if you struggle with high blood pressure and cholesterol issues. Research conducted in a randomized single blind trial left everyone astonished. Patients were given the delightful guava fruit before their meal, and results were nothing short of incredible. They managed to reduce their blood pressure by 8 to 9 points, a remarkable feat. And when it comes to cholesterol, it dropped by a jaw-dropping 99.9%. Yes, you heard that right. It's just a fruit, not some prescription. But that not all. Guava does not stop at just its delicious fruit. Even its leaves are put to good use in making natural medicine, which can be a lifeline for people dealing with diabetes. Guava's reputation as a super healthy fruit is well deserved thanks to its impressive nutrient profile. Maitake mushrooms. When it comes to mushroom, I often feel they don't get the attention they deserve, especially for folk with kidney concern. This little powerhouse of goodness is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for you. The best part is you can easily find Maitake mushrooms in well-stocked grocery stores. The star of the show today is the remarkable kidney protection vitamin found in Maitake. This mushroom is one of the richest source of vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Dried Maitake mushrooms contain a whopping 64 mg of niacin per 100 gram. That's 4 times your recommended daily intake of this essential kidney-friendly vitamin. What's truly amazing about niacin can help lower high cholesterol levels, control high blood pressure, and provide protection to your heart and kidneys. Sunflower seeds. These humble seeds pack quite a punch. It's not just about the numerous amount of niacin. It contains a whopping 8.3 mg per 100 gram, but it also comes with a host of health benefits, particularly for those dealing with diabetes. You see, incorporating these seeds into your meals can work wonder in keeping blood sugar spikes at bay. In fact, it has the amazing ability to transform something as common as biryani into a low glycemic food. Researcher attributes this incredible effect to the presence of chlorogenic acid in sunflower seeds. But that's not all. These little seeds also offer anti-inflammatory benefits, making them a true superhero for tackling inflammation in diabetes. So we have this tiny seed that aids with inflammation, helps regulate blood sugar in diabetes, and even contributes to lowering phosphorus absorption. Furthermore, sunflower seeds are not just about their health benefits, they are also rich in calories and protein. This good news is that just 1 ounce of these seeds is enough to supply you with a whopping 66% of your recommended daily intake for vitamin E. Is not that simply amazing? Turnip greens, a food that exceptionally rich in vitamin that has been proven to slow down kidney function decline by an impressive 44%. These super greens are bringing with antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice for maintaining the complications of diabetes and kidney disease. But here's the real magic. Turnip greens are one of the most outstanding sources of a vitamin that has recently been linked a significant significantly slower decline in kidney function. While turnip greens are undoubtedly a nutritional powerhouse, it's worth considering the possibility of incorporating a vitamin supplement into your routine to ensure you are getting all the folate and other essential vitamins your body needs. Onions. Onions are rich sulfur compound are more than just a flavor enhancer. They are a powerhouse in supporting kidney functions and overall health. Sulfur compound in onion responsible for their sharp taste and strong aroma are key players in detoxifying the kidneys. They help in flushing out toxins, acting as natural diuretic, reducing the burden of your kidneys. This detoxifying effect is crucial in maintaining healthy kidney. Seriously, onions are one of those foods you should always keep in your kitchen. Onions also boost impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be a significant concern for those with kidney issues, and natural compounds found in onions help to alleviate this. To maximize the benefits of onion for your kidneys, it's best to consume them raw. Raw onions retain more of their sulfur compound compared to when they are cooked. Should you find these insights beneficial, let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.